6 a.m., Laguna Seca Raceway, Monterey, California. Testing begins on the 1981 Corvette. The legend, recognizable with striking authority, what its imitators only aspire to. Still the only true American sports car, still America's dream machine. Corvette's one-of-a-kind design is a function of aerodynamics. The front bumper cover with integrated air dam and recessed grille, low-profile hood, air vents with functional louvers, sloping windshield, fastback roofline, and integrated spoiler all make the Corvette, allowing it to travel smoothly through the wind. Corvette's value is enhanced by a molded coating process on selected body panels for a smooth as glass appearance and texture. Appointments are above and beyond the ordinary. Standard retractable headlights and tinted glass all around, optional glass roof panels, optional raised letter steel-belted radials and classic aluminum wheels, all distinctively Corvette. Inside the ultimate sports car cockpit, experience Corvette in impressive quality, convenience, and sophistication. Make it your own with options such as a selection of new Delco solid-state electronically tuned receivers, automatic speed control with resume speed, and powered door locks. And Corvette is protected with a standard anti-theft alarm system. Take charge with a manual 4-speed fully synchronized transmission, or let Corvette do the work automatically. Either way, its 5.7-liter 350 CID V8 makes Corvette one great sports machine. For 1981, Corvette utilized a fiberglass reinforced monolith rear spring as standard equipment when automatic transmission is ordered. This lighter weight spring helps maintain Corvette's sports car ride characteristics. From bumper to bumper, rubber to roofline, Corvette, a true American sports car achievement. Unnatural for the individual who has arrived. Corvette for 1981. The legend lives on with uncompromising performance. The test day ends. The legend, never. Corvette by Chevrolet. The legend you've always wanted.